myself Priya from class 8 from Lakshmi Prasad Naval School. Today I am here to represent the topic surface area. If you have to explain or understand surface area, you have to understand surface area of any solid or any 3D shape. First of all, let's understand what is a square. Here, when all the sides of a shape are equal, that is known as square, in which all the length and breadth both are equal. So we can say that length is equal to breadth. By this we can also make a cube in which it has 6 square faces. So we can simply say that a cube is made of 6 square faces. Or if we have to find area of a square, we can easily find by the formula side square. But sometimes some students think that it is complicated to find surface area of a cube. But we can simply find it that it has 6 faces. So just multiply the area of a square by 6. That is 6a square. Or you can say side square. For better understanding, we can take an example. Let the side of a cube is given that a is equal to 5 centimeter. So if you have to find surface area of a cube, you can simply use this formula by 6 into side square. Here side is 5 centimeter. 6 into 5 square. We know that square of 5 is 25. 6 into 25, 150 centimeter square. This formula or this surface area can also use in daily life. Just imagine you have to cover or wrap a box which is in the shape of cube by a colorful paper which is in the shape of rectangle. Note that point what I am saying. The box is in the shape of cube. That means it has a dimension of cube and the paper is in rectangular form. By dividing the surface area of a cube, we can find dividing it by the dimension of that paper, you can find how many paper you can use to wrap that shape or that box. Let's say, understand. So what I have said, the box in a cube shape having side of 10 centimeter. You have to wrap this box with a rectangular colorful sheet having dimension, length is 6 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter. If you have to wrap this box with this colorful page, so how many pages do you require or need to wrap this box? So we can simply divide the surface area of cube by the dimension of a square page like this. SA is standard for surface area of cube is equal to 6a square. That is 6 into here. The side is 10 centimeter. 6 into 10 square. That is 6 into square of 10 is 100. 600 centimeter square. Now we have only concluded that the area or surface area of the box is only this. So how many? Now the area of that page will be area of page or paper. Is the paper is in the form of rectangle. So the area, finding the area of rectangle is L into B, means length into breadth. Length is 6 centimeter into 5 centimeter. So the area of the colorful page is 30 centimeter square. Now, if you need to find the number of pages did you require to wrap this box, simply divide the surface area of the cube by area of the page. That is number of page paper required will be surface area of cube divided by area of that page, that is 600 centimeter square by 30 centimeter square. This will be cancelled out. 60 will cancel out by 3 by 2, 29. So you needed 20 pages to wrap this box. I hope you all understand by this example. Thank you for listening.